ISTE2D deals with design technology enhanced learning experiences to promote higher order thinking. I use my newsletter, which talked about cloud computing. We had to use several different applications in terms of how we can integrate it into our classrooms and how we can engage students to do more research with technology. Second Life is a virtual reality. WebQuest. I am a huge fan of WebQuest because it allows you to go in, you get to research every subject. There is a plethora of knowledge that kids can use to find any information to cover any discipline. And quick response QR codes. I really like using this for the past school year. My students enjoyed it because a lot of times when I was not present at work, they simply had to just scan the barcode. The assignment pulled up. They really enjoyed doing that. It was less paper because they then uploaded everything to me to Google Docs. You can customize your barcodes. I even had them to create their own barcodes and create their own plant-based menu since I do teach plant biotech. Of course, Pinterest, they were very much familiar with it. They got a lot of their ideas to decorate our classroom, to also come up with a genetically modified food that they had to design. So Pinterest is very helpful as well, and Poll Everywhere. They really like Poll Everywhere because it keeps them anonymous while learning. It's compatible with any software, which is really good, and especially since we are a fan of Prezi, PowerPoint, Google Slides. But it really enhanced learning. These applications really enhance learning. They allow the students to be more creative. They allow them to think deeper. So instead of just doing a basic PowerPoint presentation, they were able to use these different digital tools and applications to really facilitate their own learning.